So for this week's tip of the week, I wanted to talk to you guys about Google reviews, right? An online presence. You may have seen my video that I did some time ago about Google reviews. And at that point, I don't know how many reviews I had, but now between two offices, we're almost at 5,000 Google reviews. And so that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. I'm Dr. Saahil Trivedi. I'm a speaker here at MGE. I'm also a dentist with my own offices, and what I'm telling you is what I apply. So in that previous video, I talked about how to get reviews, why reviews are important, and you should definitely watch that video before you watch this one or right after you watch this one. But I want to talk to you about the importance of continuing to get reviews today, because one might say, okay, my main office has 2,800 five-star reviews. Why am I still focused on reviews, right? Well, here's the thing. Google doesn't want to know if I was good last year or the year before or the year before that. They want to know, am I good today? So it's really important to continue getting high quality reviews. Really what Google looks at is not just the number of reviews in your rating. They actually care quite a bit about how many good reviews are you getting in present time, not just in the past. They also care, are you replying to reviews? And that's right, doctors, you have to reply to your positive and your negative reviews. And then they also care about how many reviews you have and your ranking. But the two key things that sometimes get missed out is the reviews have to be consistent. Right? You can't cross 1,000 reviews or 500 reviews or 100 reviews and then relax. You need to keep going, you need to keep adding reviews, and you need to keep responding to reviews. So this tip itself is a short tip this week because it's a follow-up to the previous video that I've done on how to actually get Google reviews and why they're important. But just to give you a quick recap on that, but you should definitely go watch that video. The way to get Google reviews is getting the patients to do it in the office, right? In our office, all around the office, we have QR codes, and the staff are well trained on how to ask patients for reviews. But the way we talk to patients about it is key. You see, they're not doing the reviews for me or my office, right? We explain to the patient that the reviews they write are helping other patients who might be afraid of coming to the dentist or having difficulty picking a dentist. The reviews help that patient come into our office and get the same high quality treatment and service that you as a patient in front of me has already had, right? And if patients have had a good experience, which I'm hoping all of your patients have, they'll feel quite strongly about that and say, hey, I want other people to have the same amazing experience I have, especially those patients who really need the help because they may have had a bad experience in the past. So that's the way that I explain it to my patients, which really gets them to leave reviews, because now they're helping not just me as a dental office, but they're helping someone outside, a stranger, who really needs that review to just get them into the office. So that's my add-on and my little quick recap on the previous video. QR codes are great as well, because then the patient can just scan it and it goes right to the review page. But definitely make sure to watch that video. And if you want more tips, make sure you click the subscribe button below so you can see us again. Thank you.